In today's video, I'm going to show you how to integrate GoKwik with Shopify. And this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know to streamline your checkout process and enhance your store's efficiency. First, open your Shopify dashboard and go to the Shopify App Store. Once you're there, look for the search bar and type in GoKwik. Next, click on the app named QuickCode and checkout. You'll see several options that help you provide a smoother and faster checkout experience for your customers, ensuring their transactions are seamless every time. Once you've selected the app, click on Add App. You'll see a series of prompts guiding you through installation. Follow each instruction carefully, as these steps help create a secure connection between GoKwik and your Shopify store. You might be asked to log into your Shopify account or confirm store settings, so make sure everything is correct. After completing these steps, GoKwik will be fully installed, and you'll notice new features appearing on your Shopify dashboard to manage the app's functionality. After that, you should be able to use GoKwik to make your checkout process faster and more efficient, potentially boosting customer satisfaction and conversion rates without any interruptions. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to integrate GoKwik into Shopify easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be looking to improve their e-commerce experience. Why not make someone's day easier?